Think about this and wait for the end. Most of us experience a dramatic shift midlife. Not that the shift in itself is dramatic. It can be slow, soft, and gradual. But in the first part of our life, we may be more driven by our paradigm and ego than our purpose and heart. You could say that the first part of our life may be more about education, work, and family, and the last part more about meaning, purpose, and spirituality. So where are you in the search for money or meaning? Or maybe a foot in both camps. That could be a signal of transition. Tomorrow I will talk about the shift in values for men, and today about women. In the first part of most women's life, their top 5 values are family, feeling independent, career, to be nice, and to fit in. After the shift, the top 5 values become personal development, self-esteem, spirituality, fun, and forgiveness. This is, of course, a short version and based on general statistics on women all over the world and on the general cultural paradigm. So let us hear, where are you? Are you more toward the first set of values, or are you leaning more toward the second set of values? If you feel the shift, you are definitely in the process of breaking free of personal and cultural paradigms. It can be a difficult process to do alone without experience. Here's an explanation and a solution. The distance between who you are and who you want to be is only one decision away. It's all about mindset and manifestation. The conditioning and programming takes place after birth and becomes your precursor. You can basically predict people's lives and results, including what they want, fear, and regret. If you don't succeed with radical or permanent change, it's because of the paradigm. The mental program runs your higher mental faculties and habitual behavior, and almost all behavior is habitual. To get change in results, you gotta go to the primary cause, the paradigm. And to get unstuck, you gotta learn to master your mind, and when you do that, everything starts to change. Well, that's my purpose, and I'm here to help you and your business with that. Now we don't have a second to waste. You're paying for life with life, so here's a free exercise and a gift. In order to live and be by design, you first have to disregard who you were and who you are, and focus on who and how you want to be. Sit down and write out the script for that person you want to be. Then set the scene as you are the lead in your own movie. Even find a heroine that can inspire you. Visualize that day and night until it becomes your new reality. Post it in the chat. I really want to help, hear about it, and celebrate you. And stay connected because the best is yet to come. And right now, because of Black Week, we have some real good offers. I want to thank you for your likes, comments, sharing, and subscription. It helps me to help more. Contact us for a free talk. These talks have changed many people's lives and they cost you nothing. Tell us what you want and we will show you how to get it. We simply have a system that works. Success is not a secret, it's a system. And I would love for you to have that system and work in harmony with the laws of the universe. Learn to think beyond your mental paradigm and change your mindset. If you do that and connect to your higher side, everything becomes possible. It's all about mind and manifestation. If you want to know how, then just call me now. My name is Kasper Larsen, and I'm here to help you get full spectrum success, prosperity, and a fulfilling life. Personal, professional, relational, and spiritual. I wish you a beautiful day, presence, peace, and prosperity. And remember, be the energy of your wish fulfilled. You might as well create a reality you want and manifest the good that you desire. Keep up the good work.